Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage and I will show you how we can change date and the time settings. So at first we have to be right here at the home screen and we have to find the settings icon. Next we have to tap on the date and the time, and as you can see here we can easily change it manually by tapping on these arrows, so we can pick day, month, year, and of course hours and the minutes. So everything you are making by simply tapping on these arrows. And if you want to just go back and save those settings, just tap on the right corner and the date and the time will be automatically set up. We can also pick here the 24-hour format and daylight saving time by tapping on the switcher like that. And that's it. As you can see, it's very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.